Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chester the Investor, and welcome to another episode of Invest with Chest.
The information presented here is not necessarily that of myself or anyone else that participates. Is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I can neither confirm nor deny the accuracy of any of it.
Blink Charging Company. Look them up. Blink Charging Company. Ticker symbol BLNK. Today I want to let you people know that I have invested 10,000, that's right, 10,000 shares in the Blink Corporation. Ticker symbol BLNK. Let me tell you why I've invested my monies into this company and why I see a great potential in the coming future in Blink Charging.
So that's my advice, guys. Go ahead, go buy Blink. Do me a favor, just like the video. If you don't like it, dislike it. Put a comment down below. I'm not going to answer you. Yeah, that's my advice. Go ahead and buy it. You want to take it as financial advice? Go ahead. Buy it. I will. I did. And I'm going to buy more. And go fuck yourself.